All right, today we are going behind the scenes on my YouTube channel and my main YouTube channel, not this tutorial channel, but it's my main channel. And we're going to look and see how much I've made. I just hit a huge milestone of 50,000 subscribers. I started my channel in April of 2016, so I've been on YouTube for 6 years now. And I've made a decent amount of money. Not the most money, not the least amount of money, but a decent amount. I also just did a video where I reacted to my first YouTube video. It was so cringe, it was so awkward, but it was a lot of fun. So definitely check out that video. I'll have it linked in the description box, but let's look at the analytics here. So currently I have 50,072 subscribers on my main channel, and I have done 933 videos on this channel. Probably a little bit more because I've made some of them private because they were really bad, but over 1,000 videos between my two channels. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So we're gonna look year by year and dig into these analytics. All right, so here we are in the first year of YouTube. So this was April 1st through December 31st. Now, I didn't start making videos. Let's see. April 18th was the first day that I started making videos. And as you can see, it was, you know, pretty slow and steady, but honestly, not too bad for the first year. Not bad at all. First year was 9,000 hours of watch time. So we would have received monetization. Now, back then, you didn't have to go through the YouTube Partner Program of the 4,000 hours of watch time and the 1,000 subscribers. You were automatically from day one. So if we look at revenue, like we are right away, April 27th, earning 81 cents. So we're earning revenue right away. It's crazy that I got, you know, 9.3 hours of watch time the first year. I still haven't hit that on my second channel here. 2.9 thousand subscribers, and it's definitely different community of doing this community-based content versus more search tutorial content. So it is a different audience, but very interesting. Let's see my top content. So top content was Fitbit Ultra review. I had 10,000 views, how I only spend $100 on groceries a month. This video here, I totally messed up the intro and then just kept on going. It was really awkward. How to set up the Dave Ramsey cash envelope system, sinking funds. I filmed this video at my in-laws' house and they didn't even know I had a channel at that point. I just set up the tripod and filmed it on my phone. We got some collabs here. My car is repossessed. That was a big video, but that was the first year. So first year was, you know, only 8 months of the year, but 159,000 views, 9.3 hours of watch time, almost 3,000 subscribers, and I made $731.43. Let's look a little bit deeper at revenue. So this time it was CPM was $10.63. $10.63 was CPM. RPM was $4.58. So that is really low RPM and CPM for my niche at least. But that's crazy. Okay, let's look at year two. Next is 2017. So 2017, I had 417,000 views, 27 hours of watch time, 4.8 thousand subscribers, and I made that year $2,000. That's pretty great for my second year. So second year, I made $2,195.71. Top videos this month. Again, this how much I spent, how I only spent $100 on groceries in a month, 33,000 views. What I ate on Weight Watchers. I was so all over the place, and I made Weight Watcher content and weight loss and financial content, and I was just all over the place. Okay, let's look at revenue. So revenue playback CPM was about the same, $10.61. My RPM did go up a little bit, so that's great. So $5.27. Top earning content that year was, so that how I only spent $100 on groceries in the year. I made $200 from that one video. What I ate on Weight Watchers, Smart Points, that video I made $62. How I only spent $100 a month on groceries. Since this one did so well, I made a follow-up video. That one did $57. Debt Snowball versus Debt Avalanche, $36. And my favorite Weight Watcher foods on a budget was $33.93. All right, let's look at 2018. 2018, I had 658,000 Views, 43 hours of watch time. Wow, my watch time is really picking up. Subscribers, almost 8,000. And then $3,300 worth of revenue. That's great. Let's see my top videos. Everything you need to know about Weight Watchers Freestyle. Okay, so that actually is one of my top videos today. I think it's in my top 10. That one got 34,000 views, so it passed this one. How I only spend $100 on groceries, every dollar app tutorial, top 5 Aldi favorites. This is one of my top videos as well right now. So is this pineapple 3-ingredient pineapple angel food cake. And it's also one of my big ones on my blog as well. All right, let's look deeper into revenue. So estimated revenue for this, I made $3,300. My RPM was 5.09. And so if you don't know, RPM is how much. So, okay, first CPM. CPM is cost per 1,000 views. So if you have 1,000 views on a video, on average, you're going to make $9.47. Or they're going to pay, YouTube is going to pay $9.47. RPM is what portion of that you get. So you don't get the whole $9. Some of it goes to, most of it goes, or a lot of it goes to YouTube. You get 60%, they get 40%. So RPM is what you make out of that 1,000. But it's different per video. So this is the overall. Now you have some videos that do a lot higher and some videos that do lower, but this is the average for that time period. So top videos this year in earning. How I only spent $100 on groceries, made $190. Every dollar app tutorial, I made $139. Everything you need to know about Weight Watchers, $132. Ebates Rakuten was $83, and how to set up Dave Ramsey cash envelope system was $80. All right, let's go to 2019. Let's go to overview first. So 1 million views in 2019. That's amazing. So 1 million views in 2019 alone. Watch time was 87,000 hours, 15,000 subscribers, and $7,000 on YouTube. That's awesome. Let's see, top video, 60,000 views, was how I set up Dave Ramsey cash envelope system. Ultimate frugal hacks. This was a big video that I did. Dave Ramsey versus Fire Community. This was actually a collab that I did with JJ Buckner. Got almost 50,000 views. 3-ingredient pineapple angel food cake, 41,000. All right, let's look at revenue. So revenue, as you can see, it definitely picked up. This is when I did that video with JJ. I remember this spike. So this is the Dave Ramsey baby steps versus the fire movement. So this video, let's go down here, top earning content. This video made $567 in this year. Ultimate frugal hacks, $498. How I saved $50,000 in 1 year, $454. How to set up the Dave Ramsey cash envelope system, $214.09. And then how to shop at Aldi, tips and tricks, was $192. All right, so revenue for this year was $7,540.83. RPM went up a little bit, $7.19, and playback CPM was $12.74. All right, let's go to 2020. All right, let's look at 2020. Was 1.1 million views. Watch time was 79 hours. Subscribers was 9.3 thousand, and $10,000. This is my first 10K year of YouTube, which is awesome. Let's see, top videos. How to enter a code in FetchWord was 100,000 views. How to use the FetchWords app was 100,000. Why I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore. This was a big one, was 57,000. All right, let's look at revenue. So revenue, you can definitely see it was kind of high in the beginning here. Typically with finance channels, you have a lot in the end of the year and then also the beginning with like New Year's resolution. So you can see here at the end, this is people getting ready to get their money in order, pay for Christmas, all that stuff, learning those tips and tricks. And then they have New Year's resolutions. They want to get on board with their finances and pay off debt. And then it kind of goes down. And like summers are worst for financial content. So estimated earnings for this year was $10,204.14. RPM went up a little bit, was $9.56, and CPM was $14.89. Top earning this year was Why Don't Follow Dave Ramsey Anymore with $463. How to use the FetchWords app was $841. How to enter a code was $692. How to build 7 streams of income. This was a collab that I did with Nick True. Love him and his wife. $375.47. 10 things I don't buy in 2022. $269.21. All right. We're getting down to it. Let's look at 2021. All right, 2021. I didn't hit 1 million this year. Okay, 950,000 views, 62 hours of watch time, 6,000 subscribers, and $14,000. Pretty much 14,500. 182,000 views this one got, which is crazy, absolutely crazy. 140K, 55K, and 25K. All right, let's look at revenue. Revenue this year, we made $14,498. RPM was 1525, so it definitely went up. Playback CPM was 2240. Let's look at top earning videos. So top earning videos. Why I don't follow Dave Ramsey? I had some tea in that one. $3,505. Woo! Definitely earned some money in that one. How to use the Fetch Words app. I made $1,100. How to enter a code. I made $1,000. How I built 7 streams of income by age 30. 416 and 50 easy frugal hacks. All right, let's look at 2022 so far, and then we're gonna look at everything together. Whew, this is getting good. Overview so far this year. Now this is only the first 10 months of the year. 672,000 views. Watch time was 45,000. Subscribers 3.8 and $10,000 so far. Top views so far. How to fix a inactive account and fetch rewards 72,000. Why I don't follow Dave Ramsey, still getting views 52,000. How to enter a code and fetch rewards 42,000 and 50 easy frugal living tips 38,000. Let's look at revenue. Revenue so far 10K. RPM is $15.12 and playback CPM is $23. Top earnings so far, how to fix an inactive account, $846. Why I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore, $638. 50 easy frugal living tips that will save you money, $474. How to use the Fetch Words app is $414.80, and then how to enter a code is $354. Okay. You guys ready? Drum roll. Lifetime. Let's look at it. All right. Lifetime. 5 million views. 354,000 hours of watch time. 50K subscribers. And $48,550.59. So as you can see, it definitely started picking up here around 2019. Definitely picked up, and then it's picked up here. I was actually making more in 2021, and then it's gone down a little bit here. Let's see our top views. Actually, we're going to look at those in a minute. Let's look at revenue. Is 48,000. RPM is 977. So this is the whole entire lifetime of this channel. And then CPM was 1625. So top earning content. Guys, I'm getting you all the juicy stuff. Why I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore. $5,000. How to use it? A Fetch Words app, $2,400. How to enter a code, $2,000. How to set up the Dave Ramsey cash envelope system, $1,000. And Dave versus Fire. So let's look at my top videos. So top videos, we have how to enter a code and fetch rewards, and that was almost about to hit 300,000 on that one. 294,000 views. Why I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore, 292. Look at this, guys. This one video has 3,500 comments. Look at the other videos, like 190, 531, 123, like well under 1,000. These all have mostly like 75, 47, 43. They do not have that many comments. That one has 3,500 comments. People did not like it. How to enter a code, 170. These are the top videos that I've had on my channel, which is crazy. Absolute crazy. But that is the dirt on how much I've made on YouTube with 50,000 subscribers. So let's keep the conversation going. If you want to see me reacting to my first really awkward, cringy video on YouTube, check out that video here.